and crash my whip. I'ma need to stay for a minute. I just popped a pill, can't feel it. I'ma sip it till it's finished. She gon' wonder why I ain't got feelings, cause I haven't seen you in a minute. Haven't seen you in a minute.
Alright guys, so what is going on? Welcome back and thank you for tuning in to another video. Today I'm gonna be installing some rock lights. They're FCK off-road lights. They're pretty nice. I'll show you them. For material that you're gonna need to install these FCK underglow rock lights right here, you're just gonna need some heat shrink, some self-drilling screws. These are 8x1. And then I have some 3-piece of a different size just in case I need them. You're definitely gonna need some zip ties. I have 2 different sizes here, some big ones and some smaller ones. And I got an electrical tester just in case. Good old wire strippers, the lights themselves. And they come with some self-drilling screws, but I like these bigger ones. I think these are gonna work out better for what I'm using them for. The relay bolted down over here, fuse resting in between the battery. Red going to the positive, black going to the negative. And I have my switch coming up, off, on. As you can see, I got the lights going. Come up here, off, and on. Now, the hard part is getting this switch inside the cabin. And the next hard part after that is getting this Bluetooth receiver mounted up somewhere on the frame or a cross member so that I can control the lights with my phone. I unplugged the switch into the harness, which is right here. Now we can drill a hole for this, fabricate something up in here to turn these off and on, and then we can cut the tape off this, pull the hanger back out. There we go. On, off, on, off. Get the switch all up installed here. Gotta tie up these wires, made a mess. Absolute mess drilling the hole. Closed up, all wired up here, Bluetooth receiver right there, and then that's wired all the way back up to the battery. 2, 3, and 4. So we got the front ones here, and I'm about to finish up with the front, mounting the front too. I just finished mounting the back too, and I'm just first I'm drilling a top hole with the Milwaukee. And then I'm putting a screw in it, and then I'm doing the next hole. So I'll show you. I got the back all done up here. Here's the back one. It's mounted up, I don't know, it's like 6 inches, maybe 6 to 8 inches up from the back of the fender well. So that way I can get some good length, or I could go up. I could go up over the top this way with the wire, or down that way. And the other side is the same as that. All right, so here we are underneath the truck. This is the front cross member here. They're the support. Front support, cross member is this. I don't know what this is, but that's where I've got the receiver mounted to. So I've got my plugs here. I'm gonna plug this up so I can run my cables to the rest of the truck here. So that's what that looks like there. Got the receiver up on top here, coming down, spread it out. I've got cables going to every wheel, front to back. So here we have the cable coming up from the bottom, and this is going to the rock light up top. And these just have little threads on them. They push and then thread together. Pretty simple, takes literally 0.5 seconds. That's what you get when you get an expensive kit like this, which I've come to learn. When you buy the cheap stuff, it's often much harder to put together. It's on, and we have back left going, front right going, front left going, and back left going. Off, Now, all we have left to do here is tie up a couple wires. We're good to go. I love how he said all I have left to do here. Like all I have, like it was gonna be fast. Yeah, it wasn't that fast, but I got it done. Took me like an hour, maybe 40 minutes. We'll call it 40 minutes. I'll give myself a little credit. But literally, look at this. How many zip ties I just put on to tie up all those cables under the frame. There's the one in the back. Just drilled 2 holes, 2 self-tapping screws. The pilot holes just make it easier for the screws to go in. But yeah, these FCK light bar rock lights should do the trick. Not too bad, kind of a fun install, you know. Get some cool rock lights. I'll include some clips right about shebang now.
Slide in the belly trucker, the rape trucker. Your bestie is a dick sucker, a big double. Assalamu alaikum, you big hater. You nothing but a hater. Cloud chaser, you're mad, I'm back. Big mad, he's mad, she's mad. Big sad, ha ha. Don't care, stay mad.
So here's the switch. We're just gonna give it a quick flip on. Lights up red, come under here. And we can see our light is on and it's blue. The same everywhere, we have blue. Then if I pull out my phone here and I go over to the BLE light app, that's what goes along with these FCK light bars. And then you just come in, you select your light bars. And I'm disconnected right now, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the 3 little dots, and a little button will come up that says connect. We wanna connect. And we are currently connected. You can see the light bulb in the middle is blue, because that's what color we're on. So if I go and tap, say pink, it's pink. And now it's pink. And we want it to be red, now it's red. So you can see it's pretty fast too. Like there's barely any delay from when my finger touches the screen of my phone to when the light actually changes color.